If you're a freelancer or a business looking to streamline contract management, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Deel for freelance contract management, and by the end of this quick guide, you'll be able to confidently navigate the software and use it to make your contract management effortless. Stick around because I'll also show you how to access this software completely free, along with an exclusive bonus. Deel is an incredibly powerful platform designed to simplify the management of freelance contracts and payments, especially for international freelancers. It offers an all-in-one solution for creating, signing, and tracking contracts, along with seamless payment features that save you time and reduce administrative hassle. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create your account. After signing up, Deel will guide you through creating your profile, which includes inputting your personal and business details. This is essential because Deel connects your profile to your contracts, ensuring that everything is organized in one place. If you're managing multiple contracts with different clients or freelancers, this profile helps keep everything streamlined. Once your profile is set up, you'll move on to creating your first contract. Deel offers a simple interface to generate contracts tailored to your needs. Whether you're hiring someone or getting hired, Deel provides customizable contract templates that cover key elements like payment terms, work scope, deadlines, and confidentiality agreements. This makes it easier for both parties to sign off on the same terms quickly and efficiently. Now, here's where Deel stands out. It automates the process of contract compliance. Once your contract is ready, you can send it out to your client or freelancer for e-signature. The best part, you can track the status of the contract in real time. You'll be notified when the contract is signed, which means you don't have to chase anyone down for signatures, keeping everything on track. Next, let's talk about payments. Deel's payment system allows you to pay freelancers and contractors in multiple currencies. You can pay via direct bank transfers, PayPal, or even crypto, which is a great feature for international teams. It also allows you to automate recurring payments, so if you have ongoing freelance projects, you don't have to worry about manually processing payments each month. A standout feature is Deel's tax and compliance management. If you're working internationally, Deel helps ensure that your contracts comply with local tax regulations. This can be a huge time saver, as it simplifies the complex world of international tax laws for you. Deel handles all the tax withholding, ensuring that you and your freelancer comply with the correct tax laws in your respective countries. Another great feature is the ability to add perks and benefits for your freelancers, which can make your team feel more valued and incentivized. You can offer perks like healthcare, equity options, or even paid time off, depending on your needs and the freelancer's location. This helps build stronger relationships with the people you're working with and makes Deel an attractive option for high-quality freelance talent. To wrap things up, Deel simplifies freelance contract management by offering tools that take care of everything from contract creation to payments and compliance, all in one platform. It's a game changer for freelancers and companies alike, saving time and reducing the risks associated with international contracts. Remember, you can get started with Deel for free by using the first link below, and with our exclusive offer, you'll get an extended free trial to explore all of Deel's features and see how it works for you. So if you're tired of dealing with paper contracts, manual payments, or compliance headaches, Deel is the solution. Try it today and see how much easier managing your freelance contracts can be.